to make mnemonics. So mnemonics or learning trick is one of the important parts, should be important parts of our study. How to remember a particular thing, how to remember a particular place is very, very important. So one of the criteria for that, you make that thing very, very weird. See how our memory works. So we have lived almost 20-25 years of life. We don't remember each and everything since our birth. We remember those things in our birth which are very bright. Since our birth, which were very bright, they were either too sad or they are either too happy or some way they are very bold. So such things are remembered. We remember those people whom we love. Also we remember those people whom we ate. But rest of the people that we meet every day, we don't remember these people. So if you want to remember anything, you have to create those conditions around them. Either you make that thing very happy in your mind, very sad in your mind, or you hate that thing in your mind, or you love that thing too much in your mind. Then only you are definitely able to remember those things. So making short form is one way of remembering mnemonics. Also, making stories is second way to remember mnemonics. For example, the stories may have meaning, may not have meaning. For example, you have dreams in the night. So in the night, suddenly in a dream, you are sitting on the tiger. Tiger jumps into the valley. Suddenly you start flying in the valley. You start flying in the valley, suddenly sits on a tree and starts eating mango. As soon as you throw the seed of mango, that grows into another tree. So there is no meaning to this dream. But if you imagine this thing, you will remember this dream for next entire life. If you see such type of dream, you will remember this dream. Okay. So very, very weird things also we can make remember. Weird stories we can make remember. So let us try this dream sequence to remember certain oceans. Now initially, I am not going to tell you the names of the ocean. We are going to see one story or one dream sequence which does not have any meaning or it does not have any logical connectivity. Okay. So the dream sequence I am going to tell you, so you can keep your pens, you can close their lids and just sit relaxed and look at me what I am talking about. And just no need to even remember, just watch at the screen and see what story I am speaking. Okay. So this particular story happens in a Mumbai in a celebrity restaurant. So there is one celebrity restaurant in the Mumbai. Okay. So let us understand what happens in this celebrity restaurant. So first celebrity that comes in this restaurant is who is she? Everyone knows about her. What's her name? Lata Didi. But here we are going to call her as Ma Lata. What we are going to call her? Ma Lata. So who is she? So is mother of all singers. So we are going to call her Ma Lata. So Ma Lata, after singing, she loves to eat one biscuit. The name of the biscuit is Monaco. So Ma Lata is fan of biscuits called as Monaco. Because these Monacos are very tasty. They are halke fulke biscuits. So Ma Lata loves Monaco biscuits. So what happens? Ma Lata goes to the restaurant and she orders Monaco biscuit. The server or the waiter comes with the Monaco biscuit and he keeps those tray of Monaco biscuit in front of Malata. Now, Malata opens that Monaco biscuit, but for her surprise, there are no biscuits inside. What are there instead of biscuits? Idlis. Instead of biscuits, she finds idlis, but she does not like idlis at all. She hates idli. So she waits what to do now. Something wrong has been happened to her. Okay. At the same time, one more celebrity enters into the restaurant. Now tell me, who is that celebrity by looking at her picture? Who is she? Yes, you are correct. She is Sania. So when this episode is happening, at the same time, Sania enters into the restaurant. Sania enters with her pet crow. So Sania has a pet, which is crow, and she loves that crow and carries everywhere. That crow is very shana, is very chalu. Okay, so Sania is very hungry. So she loves idli, but she sees that Malata, he does not like idli. But how to ask it to Malata? So instead of asking, she felt little shy. So she tells her pet crow, go and pick some idlis for me. This crow, he flies, picks some idlis. But you know, crow's eyesights are not good. So instead of giving those idli to Sania, the crow gives that idli to Sonia. So crow gets confused between Sania and Sonia and gives that idli to the Congress boss. We will call her Boss Sonia. Now Boss Sonia has come to the restaurant to eat pizza and pasta because she is originally from Italy, so she likes pasta and pizza. So she sees that this nonsense crow has given me the idlis. So she is very angry. So she tells the bodyguard, catch that crow and throw him on a very far away mountain which is continuously growing. So which mountain is continuously growing? You know that Himalayas. So mountain which is continuously growing. Throw these bodyguards throw this crow on the mountain which is growing. Now this crow is very annoyed. He is very afraid because he was living in Hyderabad in a beautiful house of Sania. Now he has been thrown on the mountain which is continuously growing and Himalaya. So he is facing cold. Okay. So he is searching on this mountain that if he meets someone who can take him back to the Hyderabad. So while seeing, he comes across a Baniya. Who is he? Baniya. So Baniya people, you know, they have shops everywhere. It is said that where sunlight cannot reach, their Baniyas can open their shops. Okay. Generally, it is said for poet that jo na dekhe Ravi, wo dekhe Kavi. But it is same applied to the Baniyas. That where sunlight cannot reach, their Baniyas can reach and open their shop. So on Himalaya, on such a cold, on such a height, there is no one there, but this Baniya opens a shop over there. What shop he opens? The shop of grease. Okay, so he meets Baniya. This Baniya is very rich fellow. He goes to the Arab countries and he earns huge money from the petroleum products. But his only dream is he should have shops everywhere. So he set up one shop in Himalaya, top of the Himalaya. Okay, so he is a rich Baniya. So he is coming from the Arab countries. So we will call him Al Baniya. Getting it? And he opens the shop of grease. So this grease, you know, we apply it to vehicle. Okay. So when that crow goes to this Bania or Albania, it asks him, "Give me something, I am freezing." So this Bania gives the crow this grease and tells him, "Apply it on your body." As soon as crow applies this grease on his body, suddenly a magic happens and crow turns into another bird called turkey. Crow was completely black initially. Now he has been turned into turkey. So crow is happy. He got very good feathers, little bit of fancy color than the before. No, turkey is not very attractive bird, but still he is looking little bit of fancy than before. Now turkey is happy. That crow who is become turkey, he is very happy. But still he is missing his owner, Sania. And he remembers Hyderabad. He remembers the beautiful food that he was eating. He still wants to go. Okay. So Turkey, when he was roaming around on the Himalayan jungle, he comes across a bag or purse. So he comes across the purse. This purse belongs to the actress Riya Sen or Riya. So Crow knows that Riya is a friend of Sania and she will go to Mumbai. So he thinks that somehow we have to go with Riya to Mumbai. So this crow who has become turkey now, he hides into this bag himself. As soon as he hides himself into the bag, he closes himself into the bag. Suddenly, that bag, another magic happens, and that bag turns into banana. Getting it? So that bag has become banana. Looking at this, Riya becomes very afraid. She becomes terrified. What does she do? She picks up that banana and throws it on rail. So Riya throws this banana on the rail. Now Crow does not know where he is going. He is very afraid. He thinks that this rail is going somewhere else. It should be going to Mumbai, but seeing the surrounding terrain, he does not know where it is going. Finally, this rail reaches into pyramid. This rail enters into pyramid. Okay. So rail is entering into pyramid. So crow from banana, as soon as it enters into pyramid, again he becomes crow. And he sees, oh, he has come into the pyramid. But for his surprise, one cultural program is going on in the pyramid. What is that cultural program? So who is this? Everyone knows? Australian bowler Brett. But you know, Brett has entered into Bollywood as well in between. So he has become Indian now. So we are going to call him Lee Bhaiya. Okay. So we are going to call Brett as Lee Bhaiya. So he is playing a tune. So Lee Bhaiya is playing a tune. Which tune? A song called Gerua. So in Pyramid, Lee Bhaiya was playing a tune on the song called Gerua, and on that song, on that tune, a Moor was dancing. So Crow sees all these things and he becomes very happy. He starts enjoying these things. So what does he do? He buys French fries in a pan. So Crow buys the French fries in the pan and he starts enjoying the song played by the Lee Bhaiya. Getting it? So this is a dream sequence. So please take 5 minutes of time and remember this dream sequence. No need to write it down. Just remember in your mind from start to end. Let us see you remember it or not. Okay. Now let me disclose. If you are able to remember this dream sequence, then you remember all the countries around the Mediterranean Sea. Okay. So first country we will start with Malta. Malta is nothing but Malta. So first country is Malta. Malta likes Monaco. The second country is Monaco. Third country, that when she opens the packet of Monaco, inside that she got idlis. Idli is nothing but Italy. Fourth, now at the same time, who enters? Stania. Stania means Slovenia. Stania has a pet called as a crow. Crow means Croatia. So Sania likes idli. So she tells Crow to go and get the idli. When Crow is going to get the idli, he, by mistakenly, he gives idli to Boss Sonia. Boss Sonia means what? Bosnia and Herzegovina. So Boss Sonia is nothing but Bosnia and Herzegovina. Now Boss Sonia is very angry. She wanted to eat pasta. So what she tells her bodyguard? Go and throw this crow on the mountain which is growing. So mountain which is growing is nothing but Montenegro. Now crow is going on this mountain which is growing. Here he feels very shivering cold. So he meets, whom he meets? Bania. Who is that Bania? Coming from Arab countries, Albania. So this is nothing but Albania. Albania, this Bania, what he gives to the crow to save him from the cold? Greece. So next country is nothing but Greece. Very simple. When he applies grease on the body, he gets converted into Turkey. So next country is Turkey. So I hope you are getting we are decoding the story. Okay. So after Turkey wants to go back to the Sania. So he sees a purse. Sees a purse is nothing but a Cyprus. And Cyprus belong to whom? Ria. So Ria is nothing but a Syria. So these Turkey hides into the purse of Ria, that is Syria, and this is nothing but a Cyprus. And these purse get converted into banana. So banana is nothing but a Lebanon. Riya is very afraid of banana. She throws that banana on rail. Which rail? Is rail. So rail is nothing but Israel. Rail goes to where? Pyramid. Pyramid is nothing but Egypt. As soon as it enters into the pyramid of Egypt, what is he? Who is playing the song over there? Li Bhaiya. Li Bhaiya is nothing but Libya. What tune he is playing? Gerua. So here tune means Tunisia. And Gerua means Algeria. Who is dancing on this Gerua tune? More. More means Morocco. So when Crow sees that More dancing, he is really happy. What he does? He orders pan full of French fries. Here pan means Spain. And French fries is nothing but France. So if you can see, these are the all countries around the Mediterranean Sea in the clockwise manner. So if you are able to remember this dream sequence, you are remembering all 21 countries around the Mediterranean Sea without any effort. So do one thing, decode this story in your mind and write down the names of countries on the paper and see whether you remember those countries or not. Okay, so there are total 21 countries around the Mediterranean Sea and they are in a circular manner. Okay, almost circular manner. So initially we started with Malta. After Malta, we took Monaco, then Italy, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, Albania, Greece. Okay, then after Greece, you had Turkey, then Syria, then Cyprus, then Lebanon, then Israel, then Egypt, Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco, Spain, and France. So almost clockwise manner we have seen these countries. So take a 2 minutes of time and write down in your map, in your notebook, all the names of these countries. So no need to look into on the board. Just remember this thing in your mind